Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to use Autods for Shopify. The first step in how to sell on Shopify is to find winning products. Remember that Shopify has no organic traffic, so we need to offer products that customers are searching for. Essentially, spying on other sellers can give us insights into what products to sell and the strategies behind their successes. This tool provides information about Shopify store's ad campaigns and marketing strategies. Plus, it gives us knowledge of the sales volumes, top-selling products, and suppliers of other sellers. With these insights, we can adopt best-selling practices and improve other aspects that will help us create unique Shopify stores. The Autods Winning Products Hub provides diverse top sellers from supported suppliers. Aside from finding trending items, the hub gives us insights into the product's popularity and profitability. The platform uncovers an item's cost, retail price, and profit margin to help us set competitive rates when dropshipping on Shopify. It also helps us analyze the Facebook ad of another seller that is getting a lot of traction from a broad audience. Additionally, the platform offers a sample target audience, identifying the individuals to whom they should promote and sell our products. On top of that, the platform uncovers the successes of a product's current seller, so you can adopt good practices and identify room for improvement. Another way to discover what to sell on Shopify is by checking out the Autods product finding blog. On these platforms, you can explore up-to-date blog articles and videos about top product ideas we can dropship on Shopify. Optimizing Google Trends and Google Lens is a helpful way to explore winning products to sell on Shopify. Google Trends informs us about the popularity of relevant keywords according to customer web activities. Meanwhile, Google Lens is an image recognition technology that helps us discover item sources and other insights by scanning product images. To utilize Google Lens, you'll find an image of a product you want to uncover. Then right-click on the image and choose Search Image with Google. In the right side panel of the screen, Google Lens will appear, offering various options such as search, text, or translate. Once we click the Find Image Source, Google Lens shows different sites containing the same image. When learning how to sell on Shopify, setting up an optimized online store is crucial. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.